Very few softwood species that's called deciduous. Deciduous meaning they lose their foliage in the wintertime. And you look at how tall these trees are, and you think about when the foliage is completely out, which it shortly will be, then you look at, in Florida, the root systems of plants and trees don't go very far down because the water table is very close to the ground. So these roots pretty much go straight out. The cypress knees, those medieval looking points you see sticking up out of the ground, are thought to have three purposes. They are attached to the root systems of the existing trees that are here. And they are said, for one thing, to help buttress or support the tree from pulling the tree limb through the soil, so it helps stabilize a tree. The other thing they're thought to do, if you look at the high water mark, which is indicated by the moss and the rings around the bottom of the trees, which it will be like this summer when we get all the rain, you notice that those cypress knees are at or slightly above the height of the water. It is also thought that they provide aeration to the roots during that wet season. Last but not least, that tree can only bring so much nutrition up, especially as shallow as the roots are. Those cypress knees are thought that when it actually starts coming back into foliage like this, that's extra food that's stored in those that helps feed that tree. So there's three different things they're thought to do for the cypress trees.